Did you know you can send SMS messages directly from your AI assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to connect ZeroClaw to Ozeki SMS Gateway and start sending text messages through your own on-premises SMS gateway in just a few simple steps. How does this solution work? ZeroClaw connects to the SMPP SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, where ZeroClaw acts as the MCP client and Ozeki SMS Gateway acts as the MCP server. Ozeki SMS Gateway forwards messages to the SMS service provider over SMPP, which delivers them to the recipient's mobile phone. What is ZeroClaw? ZeroClaw is an AI agent platform that allows you to build and run autonomous workflows directly from your desktop with support for external tools like SMS messaging. What is an SMPP SMS MCP server? It is a software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway, enabling them to send and receive messages without custom coding. Before you can use the SMS MCP server, you need to install Ozeki SMS Gateway on your Windows machine or server. Download the installer from the website, extract it, and run the executable to complete the installation, after which the gateway will start automatically with its web-based management interface accessible from your browser. To connect to the mobile network, open the Connections panel in Ozeki SMS Gateway and add a new SMPP client connection. Enter the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider, then save and activate the connection to bring the gateway online. To create an MCP user account, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type, then enter a username and password for the account. Open the Advanced tab to generate an API key. Copy it and store it in a safe location, as you will need it in the next steps. To configure ZeroClaw, add the Ozeki SMS MCP server entry to the config file with your gateway address and API key, then save the changes. Reload the daemon to apply the configuration and verify that the SMS tools appear in the dashboard to confirm the connection. To test SMS sending from ZeroClaw, open the chat interface and type a plain language instruction asking the agent to send an SMS to a specific phone number. The agent will process your request and display the tool call result in the chat window, confirming that the message has been successfully queued for delivery. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP User Details page by clicking on the MCP User entry in the Users and Applications panel. In the MCP User Event Log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message, including the recipient phone number and message text, confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. In this guide, you have learned how to connect ZeroClaw to Ozeki SMS Gateway's built-in SMS MCP server and use it to send SMS messages directly from the chat interface. By installing the gateway, setting up an SMPP connection to the mobile network, creating an MCP user account, and registering the MCP endpoint in ZeroClaw. You now have a fully functional on-premises SMS integration that your locally hosted AI model can use to communicate with any mobile phone.